Step 1, sorting. So who knows why we sort clothes?
So everything finishes at the same time, right?
Not quite. You see this red shirt? To prevent bleeding, wash it with other darks so you don't turn this white shirt pink.
Wait, my favorite sweater is white. So should I just not wash it?
Not at all. Definitely wash your white sweater with other whites as well.
Next, detergent. Less is more. Too much soap means suds overflow.
So then how would I know how much to use?
With Tide Pod containers, there's always instructions on how much to use. But while using detergent, make sure you pour it inside this capsule instead of on the clothes.
So this much?
Whoa, 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 whoa. That's enough for 5 loads. Now let's get ready to set the machine. Darks use cold water. Whites use warm or hot water.
So what does hand wash only mean?
That's code for don't put me in here unless you want me in room.
So with your favorite sweater, either wash it by hand or put it in a very delicate cycle.
Last step, drying. Always check your labels because some clothes can't handle high heat.
Or else they'll shrink to toddler size.
So I need one of these?
Yes, dryer sheets reduce static and also keeps your loads smelling fresh. To know how many dryer sheets to use, look at the instructions provided on the box.
And that's it. Sorting, detergent, washing, and drying. Easy, right?
I think I can do this now.
So I'm gonna wash my whites.
Okay, who back and see this in the weights?
No! And that's it. Laundry's conquered. Who's ready for the next life skill?
Please tell me it's cooking.